Hey guys, good morning. So now we're on our day 2 of our balcony project, and the sun is up and it's really hot today. So I guess it's like 32 degrees Celsius here in Kuala Lumpur, and I hope you guys can hear me, so bear with me all throughout the entire video because it's gonna be very loud and noisy. The noise is very distracting. So what I did was I put some of the big pots right here at the floor, and then this pot will go here. We will move them aside so that I can enter and put the pots that we DIY yesterday. So today we're going to install it right here before it rains, because I see on the forecast chances are it's gonna be raining this afternoon, so we need to rush on doing this. But then again, here are some of the mess that I made. So here, and then we're gonna move this rack right here so that I can go there, or maybe I'll just climb here and then whatever, so that we can pursue this project. And as you guys notice, I am wearing a mask. Why? Because it's gonna be dusty, and you guys know that. If you're not new to my channel, well, I have asthma, and my allergic reaction to dust is really bad, so I have to wear a mask. But then again, I will do a time lapse for this video, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. So here I already amended the soil. I put fertilizer and then my cactus and succulent soil mix, plus a lot of perlites and a bit of pumice, so that it will be well draining. So now I'm going to pile all of this succulents, but I think they won't fit in that small DIY pot that we made. But then we can add on more on that higher level. So this one, I elevated it because I want to use that space if in case I want to do or put some propagation tray. I can put right there. So that will be it. So now let's put the soil on the pots. So just a quick update, and now it's lunchtime. It's 2 in the afternoon, and I've been spending like more than 2 hours or 3 hours doing this, and my leg and arms are numb. So I need to take a break, need to do my coffee and cigarette break. Okay, should I say that here in YouTube? No. And this is the result for now. But as you guys can see, it's like wilted. So it's facing like a bit downwards. So what I plan to do is to put holes right in the middle of each pots, and then I'm going to tie it upwards towards this grill so that it will bend upwards. So how about that? Because I'm worried that if I watered my plants, then they will just all fall off. We need dedication and love for our plants, gardening and whatnot. So this is love. This is what you call love. Oh my goodness. Look at this mess, guys. I'm not even halfway. I'm not even halfway. Look at that. Just perfect. Perfect. Everyone gets the sunlight they need. There's sun requirements. So I guess they're happy if they can talk. If plants can talk, then they will say thank you. We receive lots of sunshine. So I hope they will grow faster and become colorful. So we still have more to go. And then I'm going to show you guys the overall result before this video ends. So now I need to do all of my stuff, my work. I need to accomplish it today so that it won't take you guys a very long video. Maybe I'll make it like 20 or 18 minutes video. So fair enough, right? But before that, I wanted to show you my neon breaker that I beheaded a couple of months ago. And she's so big. Look at her. Happy and thriving, this mother plant. Oh, look at the color. So I feed her with chicken poop. Chicken shit, yeah. It is 7 in the evening now, and I spent almost the entire day doing this project, and I'm really exhausted, but I know it's gonna be worth it. When it comes to plant, everything is worthwhile, right? So here I did some arrangement while I'm doing the vertical garden as well. I'm multitasking. So I do the ledge right there, and then I do this, I repot, and then I arrange, and then do there, and then do here. So I'm everywhere. Here are the leftovers, mix up cactus and succulents that I had in my previous project, my previous videos. And I just kind of mix them all up in one pot. So these are the big succulents that I have, plus the cactus. This hedgehog right here used to be so tiny. It only fits this small size of pot. And now look at her. She's so big and healthy. She is bigger than the size of my feast. So very happy and healthy. And I also propagated her, and her pups and babies are outside at the balcony. So what I'm planning to do is all of this big arrangements and big plants that I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Plus I have the gray basket outside, and I still have more, but I'm trying to decrease, and that's the main purpose why I did the vertical garden or the succulent ledge. That's it for now, and I'm still on the process of doing the project. Oh my goodness, maybe I will be doing this until 12 midnight. How about that? This is insane. And I'm back. Good morning, guys. And today is the 3rd day of my project. So earlier I woke up very early, around 7 in the morning, and now it's almost 10 in the morning. It's 9:45, and I'm done with the project, and I am very excited to share this with all of you guys because we work hard for this project. And I have some scratches and rashes right over here and everywhere because of the cactus and other plants. So it took me around 10 something last night. I worked until 10 something last night just to finish all of this stuff, and then when I woke up this morning I still continue doing so. But then again, it's all sorted out, and we're done. So now enjoy the video as I show you guys the result of my succulent ledge or plant ledge / vertical garden for my succulents, and I'm excited to add more in the future, but not now. So with all further ado, I'm going to show you guys the result of my newly styled balcony garden. So this is the result of our project. Now I have more space to put my succulents, my newly bought succulents, or if I'm gonna buy a lot of cactus in the future, but I don't think so. So here is the vertical garden that we made, and I make sure that it is installed very safely. So I use zip tie for this. I made it like a chain kind of thingy, so all safe. I don't even have to worry whenever I'm going to water my plants. So I made a hill there at the very edge to have the full support of the plants. And of course, as they get bigger, they will get heavier. So, and I want to make sure that they get the light that they need. Fortunately, they can get 3-4 hours straight sunlight, especially at the afternoon, because my balcony is facing west, so they get the afternoon sun. But it can be very cruel for some of the succulents that doesn't want to be under the direct sun. So I just separated the cactus from the succulents because later the sun will hit here and there. So cactus, then succulents right here. And I still have some compartments at the bottom. I have space at the bottom, so if I'm going to, for example, this pot, small pots will go there. So I can still put some more of my tiny pots. So more space. I still have more space right here. So what do you guys think about our project? Does it look nice? And I also do the same for my hanging plants. The string of tears and burro's tail. I doubled up the zip tie so that when it gets heavier and bigger, it will still support the plants. It won't fall off. More space right here. I can put more plants. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for joining me on my project. And look at me, I'm hanging here like a monkey. And I need to go down. Okay, this is too much of effort. So I had fun doing this project, and I hope you guys did as well. So I will see you all on my next video. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me, and happy gardening. Bye.